5 Best Photoshop Alternatives to Use in 2023. Adobe Photoshop is a software for image editing, graphic design, and digital art, and it is available for Windows and macOS. It offers unmatched selection tools, automatic sky replacement, and mind-boggling AI-powered neural filters and user-friendly interface features. Learning the basics of Adobe Photoshop is not easy, especially if you have no prior knowledge in this field. Here, we discuss some of the Adobe Photoshop alternatives you must try. 1. Pixlr. Pixlr is a photo editing software available for web-based applications and a mobile app for iOS and Android. It offers a range of features and tools for editing and enhancing photos, including support for layers, masks, and advanced color correction. 2. Photopea. Photopea is an online web-based photo and graphics editor for image editing, illustrations, and web design. One of the main features of Photopea is its support for layers, masks, and advanced image manipulation tools, which makes it a good choice for professionals and advanced users. It is a popular choice for creating social media graphics, logos, and other types of visual content. 3. Krita. Krita is a free and open-source graphic design tool for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and Chrome OS. It is designed specifically for artists and offers a wide range of features and tools for creating digital artwork, including support for layers, masks, and brush customization. It offers many innovative features such as painting, stabilizers, constructing complex scenes, clone layers, and layer styles. 4. PhotoScape X. PhotoScape X is a free photo editor application for both Mac and Windows. It helps to create animated GIFs, capture screenshots, remove backgrounds, color adjustment, resize, and convert photos into the required format. It allows designers to apply various image filters, including bloom, miniature, sepia, and more. 5. Canva. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design platform that allows users to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, business cards, and more. It has a rich library of free stock images, videos, animations, music, and fonts. It offers free and paid subscriptions for additional functionality. Thanks for watching.